Hi guys! Mabuhay! It's me, your girl, InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, we are in Werribee. So for today's video, we are going to bring you here's sa Werribee Park and Werribee Mansion, guys. So guys, nandito tayo sa Melbourne, dito sa Victoria. So what are we waiting for? Happy watching!
Oh, just that voice. There you go, Memsa. Get to walk through. And then I'll find a way to lock you in. Oh, yeah, here we go. There we go, so now I'll stop.
So we are in Werribee Park. If you have a fascination with history and nature, then look no further. Plan a visit to the famous Werribee Park to discover the story of an Australian pastoral empire. This beautiful parkland welcomes all enthusiasts to explore its Victorian-style setting, Italianate-style architecture, and famous interiors within the nearby Werribee Mansion.
Werribee Park.
So Werribee Park.
Never ever.
Never ever. So, ito yung Werribee Park. This is the Werribee Mansion, guys. So, there's a huge one.
State Rose Garden where we just were.
So, this is the State
And that's
Garden. And now, we are in Werribee Park. So, Werribee Park is open daily, including weekends and public holidays. Mansion fee. Entry fees apply.
There's a river.
So, ayun yung mga condition of entry, guys. No dogs allowed here. No littering.
You mean cats?
Yeah. So here, there's a gate there.
So let's go straight. I think it takes us towards the mansion.
Take a stroll through the many hectares of the beautiful lush landscape. You'll surely love exploring the open spaces, formal gardens, and the verdant parklands. Take a journey and explore the 19th century contemporary sculptures within the nearby heritage mansion. The sculpture walk will take you through some interesting trails and feature a wide selection of artworks by Australia's leading sculptors. The exhibition also features famous artwork by many talented artists from around Victoria. Some of its sculptures have also won the renowned Helen Lempiere National Sculpture Award. Check out each of the 29 pieces lining the pathways of Werribee Park. Also post for some photos at some of the most picturesque points within the parkland. The park is just 30 minutes from the Melbourne CBD and is quite easy to reach by car. If your plan is to take a tour or a sculpture walk, make sure you book in advance. The Werribee Open Range Zoo is also right next door, making it an excellent day out for all. Welcome to Werribee Park Mansion is set within the famous sculpture park in Werribee. This beautiful mansion also overlooks the renowned Victoria Rose Garden. Whether or not you love history, you'll surely love exploring this huge mansion in Victoria's famous Werribee Park.
It's 1 o'clock. Oh, that's sort of getting there. It's kind of close.
What's that?
The time, it's a sundial. It tells you the time of the day by the sun.
Ah.
See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then probably the morning as well, because obviously you can't tell time at night time, so... Not sure what happens when it's daylight savings.
Is there a cafe there?
Not too sure, maybe.
Visitors of all ages are welcome to explore this huge parkland and its unique mansion. The park offers guided tours of the mansion and sculptures where guests can learn and discover more about Victorian-era architecture, Italianate styles, and royal artwork.
Sculpture walk in there. So yeah, if you're going to take a
This huge mansion boasts over 60 rooms in its several wings. Each of the rooms is beautifully adorned with Victorian-style furniture and lighting. The manor features an Italianate architectural style designed by the Chirnside family back in 1877 and has been beautifully restored.
There's a drop in the flag. Yeah, they can grow there. And then there's this stuff on the back there. I think that's what we were just at a second ago when I was taking the photos. So you pretty much walk around and you got the stuff at the back.
You will see most of the original furnishings and artworks. Even today, many rooms still possess personal items of Chirnside family. You will see their clothing, family items, and furniture on display. Those taking a guided tour will be pleased to know that the tour includes a chance to visit the on-site cafe. Guests will be offered a choice of tea, coffee, and other non-alcoholic drinks. So hot ah. Post, don't put the red. Adjoining the park, you'll find a mansion, hotel, and spa. Guests who'd like to enjoy staying near Werribee Park can stay at this luxurious 5-star hotel located right behind the Werribee Mansion.
Ayan, Memsa. Very nice. Let's see Mama Alpha Mat. Is that another sculpture over there? They're quite nice. Why do they get to park so much closer to the... Or maybe it's the parking for the mansion. And we're just silly and we park far away. I think it's the turtle stuff over there. InDaynaMo is up fixing her hair. A lot closer together.
There's different options. No, your head.
Did we have the mansion picture?
No, we need to selfie the mansion.
Oh fuck it, we're going again.
So we are in the Werribee Park, guys. That's the Werribee Mansion. And
Where's people up the balcony stairs?
there's a cute mushroom there.
Maybe that's the benefit. So, you push me into the tree for.
This is the poles. This is the autumn.
Yeah, we take your buntas praat on in the opening and you put your gut like this.
Car is kanan. I want to drink coffee now. The buntis is still there. Yeah, kanan. So, that's it guys. That's our Werribee Park and Werribee Mansion. So, nakita nyo dito sa Werribee Park, isa siyang garden guys. And then, you can also do walking here. You can also do picnic here guys. There's also a cafe also. And then, there's a lot of trees around. So, nakita nyo, meron siyang compound. Dito sa Werribee kasi, meron silang different attraction. On the other side, nakita nyo yung pinuntahan natin, yung Werribee Rose State Garden na napuntahan natin sa walking tour ko dun sa previews na aking mga videos. So, on the other side, nakita nyo ang ating Werribee Zoo. So, guys, yung Werribee Open Range Zoo, kasama siya dito sa compound, pero different area lang siya. Magkakatabi lang naman sila. So, nandito siya sa likod. I think sa likod, Werribee Park, guys. So, nakita nyo kung gaano kadami ang mga trees dito sa Werribee Park. Katulad ng ibang mga state garden, guys. Pero, magkakapareho lang din sila. Meron silang different mga trees, different plants. So, on the other side, guys, nakita nyo ang Werribee Park Mansion. So, Werribee Park, we need to pay. But, unfortunately, hindi na tayo nakapasok kasi nga, meron tayong pupuntahan for agenda for today. So, nakita nyo lang yung labas. Pero, I will put some pictures here kung ano yung nasa loob ng Werribee Mansion. Nakita nyo, it's very, very fab. Super fab yung mansion kasi malaki. On the other side, makikita nyo, there's also a cafe. You can also buy drinks if you feel hungry or thirsty after the tour. So, meron siyang fee. May admission fee dito sa Werribee Mansion. And I'll put the fee here. So, ayun na nga guys, I'll put the fee over there. And then, they also have a admission prices, self-guided dun sa pinakita kong admission fee guys. So, nakita niyo kung gaano kaganda ang Werribee Mansion and Werribee Park for today's walking tour. Nakita niyo sa beautiful weather even though it's winter now here sa Australia, dito sa Melbourne. So guys, that's the end of our Werribee Park and Werribee Mansion for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching, you had fun for today, and you learned something for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting my videos. And mega love shout out to each wonderful, beautiful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video po, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys, be good, you take care, be safe, and mwah! Ciao lang!